Imagine driving down the road and suddenly your car refuses to shift correctly, or feels like it is caught in a tug of war because your transmission is fighting itself. And that is exactly what happens when your shift solenoid E gets stuck on. When your vehicle logs the trouble code P0772, it means the brain of your car has realized that shift solenoid E is not playing ball and is staying in the on position when it should be off. Your automatic transmission is a complex maze of hydraulic circuits, and these solenoids are the gatekeepers that open and close to let fluid flow to the right clutches and bands at the exact right millisecond. When a solenoid sticks, it means the fluid is going where it should not go, which leads to the transmission slipping or even overheating. And in many cases, your car will drop into limp mode to protect itself from further damage. Before you start panicking about the cost of a new transmission, you should always check your fluid levels and the condition of the oil, because dirty or contaminated fluid is often the main reason these valves get stuck. A great tip is to look up the Technical Service Bulletins, which we call TSBs, for your specific make and model, because often the manufacturer has already identified a common fix or a software update that solves the problem without you having to tear the whole thing apart. You should also perform a thorough visual inspection of the wiring harness, looking for any wires that have rubbed raw against the metal frame or connectors that have turned green with corrosion. If the wiring looks clean, you will need to use a digital multimeter to perform continuity checks to ensure there are no opens or shorts in the circuit. Most of the time, a simple fluid and filter change or replacing that specific shift solenoid will get you back on the road, but you have to act fast before a moderate solenoid issue turns into a severe internal transmission failure that costs a fortune to repair.